What's going on, guys? We are the Salient Salamanders, and this is our Titanic competition in Kaggle. First, we'll start myself. My name is Connor Cease. I worked alongside Chris Haber, Chris Putman, and Erica McPhail to complete this project. We'll start with a business understanding. Basically, what we delved into this project is what sort of people were most likely to survive the Titanic. So what we did was we used and created a predictive model using test data and machine learning in order to predict which passengers survived. So going into a little bit about how we kind of understood this data is we use these classic and demographics to determine and predict what kind of people survived the Titanic. So that was kind of the fields of data we were working with. In order to prep this data, we were doing a lot of data mining things and mapping all this out in order for this machine to run like it should and predict what kind of people would survive a wreck like this. Model building, these next couple slides just kind of go into how we really built this machine. You can see we started from a small tree and it expanded into a much larger tree, which did much better in predicting what we needed it to. Going into testing evaluation, you can see our results here. Our first go round was very accurate with a score of 81.6 rounds to 82. And then we reran with the passenger ID field, so you know exactly who the passenger is. Slightly less accurate, but it's still greater than 75%, so we were very happy with these results. Testing evaluation continue. This is just a graph that reflects the data I was referring to. Deployment, how it's used. Basically, this just goes in how you can use a tree map like this in different fields other than just seeing what type of person could survive the Titanic wreck. This is all just sorting data. Not too much to talk about here, but feel free to pause and look at this as you would. So, in conclusion, the Titanic competition showed the fundamentals of how to train a model like this. It answered the question we were asked with 82% accuracy, which is, these are good numbers when you're looking at the mass amount of people and the data we were given. So we were very happy with how this experiment turned out. I hope there's something to learn from this, and I appreciate the opportunity. And thank you.